In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the dumbbell backwards lunge, otherwise known as a dumbbell reverse lunge. So firstly, we're going to be doing the alternating version of this exercise in this tutorial, meaning when I bring one leg back, the next repetition, I'm going to bring the opposing leg back. So if I was starting off with my right leg coming back, when I come back into my start position, my left leg's going to come back for the next repetition. So firstly, there's two ways of how you can grab the dumbbells. Firstly, some people prefer to have one dumbbell in both hands, then bring the elbows in contact with the ribs, so the sides of your body, and then keep the dumbbell nice and close to your chest. Other people prefer to have more of a traditional style, which is to have one dumbbell in each hand, and you're going to have the dumbbells at the side of your body. Doesn't matter which one you choose, just make sure that you choose the one that's preferable for you. And what we're going to do is have the feet at hip width apart, the feet are facing forwards, so is my chest and my upper body. I'm going to keep my back nice and straight as I come back, bending my back leg. That will also bend my forward knee as I come into the repetition. Now notice how when I was doing that, so with my right leg, I came into a position where I came back onto my forefoot and toes, then I dropped my back knee, that also drops the front knee, and I propel myself from that position straight up. So when I'm on my toe and forefoot, when I come back, I'm using that foot to propel myself back up to the start position. Now when I start to do that quicker, with alternating repetitions, I'm going to go from one side to the next, always looking forward, so I'm not looking down at my feet or knees. Once you've done your desired amount of sets and repetitions, that would be how you do your reverse or backwards lunge with dumbbells alternating.